Welcome to Henry's show. Hi, I'm your friend Henry and welcome back to Henry's show. Unit 1, short, vowel A is first time using workbook. This will be episode 22. H. We have H and M. If we plus it, it's ham. First, this is a ram, so we need to circle R. Ram, r. So, two, right, R, and right, or ram. If you know the alphabet of this, almost everything will be easy. So, don't worry. But after you do phonics 1, 2, 3, and going to start 4, you'll understand more better in 4. 1, 2, 3 is phonics builder. With 1, 2, and 3, it will be a little hard. This is the first things that you learned. But it's 4. If you learn this and you learn this first things, it will be more easy. Now this is a dam, so we need to circle D and write D. The dam. This is a cap. Cap begins with C, so we need to circle C and write C. C plus app will be cap. C-A-P. Number 5. This is a lap. Okay, now L. L plus app will be lap. Lap. Number 6. Map. Map. Number 1. Now we have this is all mixed. What do you think is AJM? This is not. Wow, it's really confused, right? So, first J is first, and next will be A, so 2, and M will be last. So, they wrote 3. So, there. Let's try there. This is a nap, so we write like this. Now, first N is first. A is second. So, 2. And P is third. 1, 2, 3. Now number 3. This is a ham. We have to unscramble it first and fix it. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Number 4 will be cap. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I wrote the number first. Number 5. This is a ram, so let's write ram. This is 1, 2, 3. This is map. So let's write this. Like 1, 2, 3. And number 7. This is a dam. So we need to write 1, 2, 3. Dam. This is a lap. Lap. 1, 2, 3. Pretend read first. Lamb. Pam. I think Pam is a name. If you don't have a word Pam, you'll learn it. Ram. Sam. They're all names. Have to capitalize the name, even if it's the middle of the sentence. Cap. Gap. Lap. Tap. Now let's turn the page. Jam. Jam is correct. Now ram. Up. Snap. And will be lap. Cap, right? The missing letter is up or am. This is app. Cap. Ham. Map. Dam. Nap. Jam. This is A. Ham. Now, more. We have F. Dam. D. Ram. H. Jam. And up. We did this. We did this. We did. It looks like an A. Now this thing will be all E, cap, C, map. B, lap. D, nap. Great! It's easy if you learn only this ham. Or let's draw a dam. This is red, but I can color it. Now nap. I'm just going to draw another thing with your cap. You don't need to draw well, but you need to still try to draw best. You don't need to be good drawing. A cap. I think it's hard. That's okay. If you try your best, it's correct, okay? So don't worry. In page 10. We have ham. We have dam. We have ram. Before we have ham, we have dam. 5 will be up. Cap. The 6 will be up. Lap. The 7 will be up. Map. Number 8 will be up, nap. 10. Oh wait, sorry guys. Now, thank you for watching Henry's show. Please subscribe, please, and click thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!